And happy Sabbath, brothers and sisters in Christ. So we are now on our lesson for this week. Nanata sa ikapila na? 11. So, our lesson for this week, it's very interesting mga kaigsunan because we are now on the climax of the earth history. Now, when I'm sure sa Tadri, especially our young people, are fun with mga movies or sa pa na mga drama or action movies, sa pa na itong ginatan-ang sa entertainment. And we're always fascinated and we're always thrilled during the climax part of the story, right? No, kanang boring man kayo magtanaw ka kanang salida nga kanang gikan sa sugod maura gid ang emotion, no? And nowadays kanang sa entertainment industry dinapa gid sa mga scriptwriters or kanang sa mga directors nga pag maabot kining hapit na mahuman ang kanang salida naagi dito ang pinaka-intense na part kanang maabot ka sa climax jud, no? So in our lesson we will discover the climax ng mga event sa atong life diri sa kalibutan, and this is entitled the impending conflict. So that means the warning kanang dangerous nga mga event nga maabot in the end time. Daghan kay siguro sa to, we all know about this, but this is a review and we need to take heed and take the lesson seriously in our hearts because this will affect you and me. Nabasi ka ng sometimes sa to, especially in the seventh church, the Laodicean church, nga kanang kaita, relax lang kaita, we're easily compromised lang pod kay di ba dili pod siya init, dili pod bugnaw, nas tunga-tunga, we tend to compromise. So this is the lesson that is intended for us, brothers and sisters. Now our lesson is focus on Revelation chapter 12 and 14. This talks about the two beasts in the Revelation. No, kabalo man ta unsa ni mga beasts. These are mga superpowers na diri ang nag-rule sa earth. So the first is on the papal room, then the second nga ni gawas, no? Sa land, the scarce land, which is the lamb-like beast, no, nga misturya siya pero endorse siya sa worship for the first beast. Now, in the conflict, in the earth's conflict, we have this in the climax of the history, there is a kalibutan. It will go sa very essence of the worship. It comes down to the right worship. Asa man ang kinsa ang atong i-worship. In the last days, Sabbath is the center focus of this conflict. Now, when we talk about Sabbath, nganong Sabbath man yun mga kaigsunan ang center sa conflict between Satan, God, between good and evil. Nganong Sabbath man yun? This is because Satan wants, because he's in constant rebellion against God, constant rebellion against the law of God, he hates God because he is the creator. Gusto ni Satan nga ang worship maadto sa iya. Dili maadto sa creator. Diba? Kitsa raman gid ang worthy of worship. It's only God kay creator. Siya ang nagbuhat sa atong tanan. Now when we talk about creator, it will point to the creation period, no? During the creation. That is why in Revelation, message of first angel's message, unsa man na siya? Unsa kay na? First angel's message, fear God and give glory to Him. For the judgment has come. Kay ang sunod na it talks about kinsa ang i-worship katong naghimo sa heavens and the earth.